Rolls-Royce CorporateCare Enhanced. Is it worth the extra cost? Enterprise Aviation recently upgraded most of its Rolls-Royce powered fleet from CorporateCare to CorporateCare Enhanced, and Maintenance Director Jerry Cohoon says it was an easy decision. For an operation flying multiple aircraft around the world, minimizing downtime is critical. CorporateCare Enhanced provides comprehensive engine and nacelle coverage, priority access to parts, global AOG support, and more. Cohoon recalls when one of his aircraft was grounded in Milan, a long way from home. Thanks to the CorporateCare Enhanced coverage, Rolls-Royce had support on site the very next day, helping return the jet to service quickly. He contrasts that with another unenrolled operator who waited around 2 months for a thrust reverser part. The benefits of CorporateCare Enhanced go far beyond unexpected breakdowns. On another occasion, Rolls-Royce's engine health monitoring spotted an issue on one of Cohoon's jets remotely before it developed into a major problem, allowing maintenance to be carried out proactively. And Cohoon says the program adds value at resale, with buyers increasingly expecting aircraft to be enrolled on CorporateCare Enhanced. His conclusion? The additional cost is outweighed by faster support, reduced downtime, and greater peace of mind when every hour an aircraft sits on the ground can be expensive.